Hello. I can't do intros, so we're not going to do an intro. I just realised I've just done an intro, so let's start the video. This is a RUF Yellowbird that has been modified to have a shit turbo. Using the Assetto file editor. If you watch the boost gauge on the right there, you will see what happens when we hit 5,000 RPM, which is who comes out. That's what traction control on. Yeah, with traction control on, even a bit scary. With it off, it spins more than the Soooo. It's 2,000 horsepower running on slicks. They're semi-slicks. Okay, race ones, not drag ones, that are having this game through mods. So there's auto slip and auto poo coming up. But generally a good mod. Not worthy of like redoing it too. More just worthy of this very entertaining people and then on the internet. First time hit boost in the corner. I can't drive today, I must point that out. I also don't have a wheel yet. You have to excuse my mistakes. Driving. I'm also not driving very well. That's the other reason I'm probably going badly, and now I'm just making excuses because I'm actually kind of shit. I had to roll cars instead of Corsa, but I seem to be bad enough again that I actually can. You can hear the turbo. These are unmodified sounds, and I swear it's louder than stock. I think that's actually how much boost this car's running. The game was realised and actually changed the volume of the sounds. Could be wrong. Just listen. What we can hear though is very, very distinct. Not Wallafell, but it's like it wants to be Wallafell, but it's actually just Tom Waits hitting something with a metal pipe. So maybe it's Bill Cosby hitting his dick on a metal pipe. Like, I don't know. Something's hitting something, but I think it's meant to be a Wallafell thing. Assetto Corsa being Assetto Corsa has shit sounds, so it's happened. I've driven rotaries in this game that sound like V8s. That's obviously a mod. Get you one, but nonetheless, you know, it's nonetheless it's still going to have the same issues. Even the base game, if the game has bad sounds, because the engine has bad sounds, you can't get around it. And to be honest, I'm not even sure Assetto Corsa if the bad sound is caused by the engine, or if it's just caused by people again being lazy, and then the modders not having a very high standard to get to and have sounds because of the base game, and then just not making good base sounds. The mods, I don't really know. Maybe we can get moved from 90 car mods to make all the sounds really hard. That could be a good idea. But I have an odd feeling every car will just go black intercooler and make piano noises for all that. That might not be beneficial. You actually have to sit on the red line like that, because otherwise you don't have enough speed going into the next gear. Sorry, enough revs on that. With the turbo kicking in and then you just get the problem. So I'm literally either not on the throttle or flat. Oh god. Because that's the problem with this car, you're either like cool. Barely going. And then spooky. Like this car probably only has, I don't know how much horsepower. I'll figure it out. Put in the description or something. If I can be bothered to figure the fuck out how much power this has, by doing some basic calculations to a calculator, and getting the base horsepower figures and timing them by 1 plus the boost that I'm running in the config file. But this thing is running like a 15 gamma on the turbo, and what that means is that's how responsive this is throttle. Most cars are running like a 1, 0.8 to 5. At a 0.8 will go out to 5.0. Some cars are like meant to be running superchargers around like 0.8 and stuff. These still actually get boost, but it acts like supercharger. Because it's kind of hard to emulate in a set of Corsa. So I can't drive. Because it's kind of hard to emulate in a set of Corsa. The supercharger, I could be wrong. But you can't even burn it to this guy because the power is kind of like pretty useful tool. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. You probably didn't. Bye bye.